This is my video submission for the $10,000 scholarship. I feel like it would be very helpful to me because I am a full-time student. I work 2.5 jobs. He doesn't work. I'm a full-time mom too, a full-time student. I'm a full-time worker. My husband used to be the breadwinner, but he had a horrible accident at work a couple years ago, and he lost his feet. So now he can't stand. Come on, man. So yeah, when he stands up, he just falls right over now. So show him, honey.
All right.
There, come on. Yo, listen, Mom.